Hi, my name is Sakti Saravanan, and this is my project presentation, project demonstration for technical answers to real world problem. This is going to be for final review thing. So our project is to create a mobile application that is seamless and easy for users to buy tickets for MTC bus transportation. So the intention of our project is so that the users will be able to buy tickets easily without any problems. And for example, there are many instances where they will be missing few changes, or they might not have changed. So in those cases, it's really a hectic thing to face, and thus that's the problem we intend to solve in this. So in terms of project description, I have been working with two mobile applications on the backend server as well. So the mobile applications is developed based on React Native framework, whereas the backend server runs on Flask server and then MySQL database on an Apache server. So the project, what we have done here is that for each user, once they have logged in, they can do two major things. One is where they can see their tickets, that is the tickets they have already bought. So each ticket has two states. One is where they can, one is where the state represents either the ticket is consumed or it is active. So they'll be able to see their tickets which are active and inactive. And if they click the ticket, they'll generate a QR code for that ticket, which can be scanned by the conductor who will be having the second mobile application, where the scanning will invoke a method from backend server which will validate that specific ticket. If that ticket is active, it will say the ticket is marked and it is active. And if it is inactive, if such ticket does not exist, it will say the ticket is not acceptable. So, and if the ticket is marked, it will also automatically change the state of a ticket in user application. The next function the user can do is they can buy tickets with the help of external payment API integration. So we have integrated an payment provider named Stripe API to facilitate UPI transactions. So users can get here, they can buy tickets, and once they buy it, they'll have their own the ticket for that user will be added to the database and it will be reflected in the home screen. So yeah, I'll be going through the code and to show what is happening. So here is a server running at this address, that is Flask server, and here we have running the React Native server for client side application. So what happens is that here are the functions that take place in server, and that is the first one would be to validate a ticket, whereas it's going to check whether such values exist in database. So what happens is that each QR code is represented by five values: the user source, destination, route, and the user source, destination, route, and the state. So that is what represents a ticket. We are going to take first four values and check whether such values exist in database. If that exists, we're going to check the state and return it's valid or not. And the next one is get ticket state. That is the same thing. We're going to query the first four values. And if those four values exist in database, then yeah, that's fine. So we'll return whatever the state value is. The next is going to be an add ticket. So we are going to insert those four values into the database. And get ticket should be for a given user. We are going to return all the tickets present in the user. Then we have the final method of presenting payment sheet. So here we'll be getting the price of a ticket and we'll be creating a payment sheet for a customer. So this customer will be able to pay because of this. Here we have publishable key and a secret key, which is part of a payment API. So the next we have, so in the React Native part, so we have like three major screens. One is to represent the home screen where user will be able to see their tickets. Then they'll be able to buy. Then they'll be able to check a live tracking, and for that each ticket, they'll be able to see a QR. Now I'll be showing a demo of. I'll be showing the application and it's working. Um, just a second. Yes, so I have joined from the mobile application as well, where I'll be able to share my application running in my mobile. So here I'll just change the strings for participant. Recording in progress. Yeah, I'll share my screen. So second. So I hope my mobile. So I hope my screen is visible. So here we can see the main homepage of the application. This is for a given user. Once they have logged in and authenticated, they'll be able to see all the tickets they have. And the red color tickets represent the consumed one, whereas the blue ones represent the active ones. So if they click it, they'll be able to see the QR code for that specific ticket. They don't want, that's okay. But if conductor scans it, it will be consumed. The next one is to buy tickets. So they'll be able to purchase a ticket, let's say 5G, um, check-in, let's say, uh, no, yeah. So from Colbert to Port St. George, let's say the ticket price is 26. So if we buy it, uh, we'll be having just a second. So let's say I have taking a bus here. So I'll take side of it. to Marina Bay and the flight ticket. Okay, so yeah, if I buy ticket, yeah, the ticket price is 41 rupees from I think it was Coimbatore to Marina Beach. Anyway, so if I enter a test card information, let's say 400 0035 6000 and 008. So instead of random number, this card number represents a test card from India. So it will be validated. And if I pay, I'll be proceeded to the validation page. Yeah. So if I do complete authentication, yeah, the ticket has been purchased for Saidapet to Marina Beach. And now I'll show the next part of demonstration where we'll be able to see the validation of tickets. So let's say, yeah, so this is a ticket we bought that is 7TD from Saidapet to Marina Beach. And now what we can do is that we can track the same application by scanning it. And once we scan it, we'll be able to mark it as visitor. But meanwhile, I'll also show on another screen that is to show the payment dashboard. So if I go through, yes, Stripe payments dashboard, it will show all the payments that are still. So yes, here are the payments that has taken place. So I bought a ticket for 41 rupees. It shows that. It also shows all the tickets that has been purchased right now. And if I see for multiple days last, mm, last 4 weeks, you can see the change in prices. Now I will start another application that is the ticket checker. And once from that, I will showcase the validation of ticket. So yes, I'm here and I have started the application. The application is going to, I'm going to connect my mobile application to the second one. Yeah, as you can see here, the mobile application is being connected. And I'm going to scan the second notification, second QR code to show the validation process. For that, I'll share it again. So the application is being shared right now. Hope my face is visible. Anyway, so let's say I'm going to open the ticket of this, and if I scan the QR code from the contact application, so just a second, I have to change the address of backend server. This is due to a system being in different addresses. The different networks, the addresses keep on changing. So now it will be able to, yeah, the ticket has expired. And if I change that, yeah, the ticket has changed. And let's say there's another ticket, I'll also scan it. Yeah, the ticket has expired. If I do that, yeah. Now I'm gonna share the mobile application screen and the second mobile application to show what output comes from there. So for that, I'll join to that again. Um, So I'm going to share my screen, and for that, it's a screen. Okay. Yeah, the screen's for screen, and here's the ticket checkers application. And let's just wait for just for 2 seconds. Um, okay, so since we have the application, I will test its validation on let's say this ticket. So if it's possible, camera should be opening right now. Yeah, the camera has switched on. Yeah, as you can see here. Let's say I'm scanning this. Yeah, the ticket expired. And if I give OK and see here, as you can see here, the ticket has become red and show it again. Okay, that ticket has been marked. Okay. So yes, this ticket is active. It is scanned again. It is. Yeah, the ticket has expired. So yes, it has become red. So that is a small demonstration of a project. We have implemented the core functionalities present in our project that is important in terms of completeness. So yes, this is the application we have worked on, and for the report we'll be uploading in the same format. So thank you, sir. Thank you for your time.